Bahaism from the 25th of the 8th month of 1446. The Bab wanted a world-conquering religion. Baha'u'llah was convicted of insurrection. Abdu'l-Baha had a softer mission. Despite such conversion among blacks, Bahaism is mostly of Iran. Originally in multiple languages, some was more mystic, and others were sermons. The one who was executed saw himself as a messianic delegation. With a more obvious separation, the second declared mystic revelation. The third was taken as more authoritative than just a succession. Unless we count the historical sayings of Prophet Muhammad, Bahaism outnumbers all the Abrahamic faiths in its canon. More flexible in the spiritual prescription, it can also be said to be more timed in the described conditions. Dispensationalism finds a middle way before the New Age religion. And if Bahaism was founded at the end of the 1800s, it would probably be classified as a New Age religion. And there's been a lot of editing with it. And some of this editing covers up the early goals and insurrection of it. But there's just so many books and stuff by these individuals, just like what we see attributed with Eckankar, for example, that it just has so many texts that it uses, and it tries to consider the world's religions as a cohesion. They're not really a cohesion, but perhaps at their origin they were. But it doesn't take a prophet to tell you that.